Hello and what's up? Joe here at ya, and I've got another package to not unbox but unpackage here for you from another subscription club. This one is from Birchbox. Man, they also do have a club for women as well, and basically I think they just basically send out monthly grooming supplies and such. I happen to also sign up for the premium Birchbox Club for Men, where they also, besides the grooming supplies, they also send you a premium item or two as well every month, which I think costs an extra $10 or so for the club. I'll give the pricing details on the club in the description of the video, as well as maybe a coupon for both of us to save some money if you decide that you like this club and want to check it out. But with that said, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in here, shall we? Looks like we have ourselves the official Birchbox Man box to open. But there's also some other things in here too. Let's check that out. Invoice. And looks like they sent some kind of cap as well. Let's open that up. Okay. Adjustable in the back. Velcro. I'll probably need to adjust that a lot. I've got a big head. I don't know. Maybe. What do y'all think? Does it look good? Let's take that off for now. And what else? Another premium item here. Let's see what it is. A pair of sunglasses. Okay. Plastic. Okay, let's see, who's this from? UV protective for eyes. This is, geez, let me focus here. From Benkai. Benkai. B-E-N-N-K-A-I. Let's see how they look. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Alright, let's set those aside and let's open up this box now and see what's in that, shall we? And another box open. Okay, what do we have here? Birchbox Man, Volume 18, Issue 6. Yes, this is the June 2018 edition of the Birchbox Man Club. Okay. Just shows you on the back what they sent. So let's go ahead and get at it and see what they sent here. We've got Bala, Body Products for Men. This is a original formula body powder. Nice scent. And this is Bala, Body Products for Men. Little small sample. And that's what they send you in these boxes. Just little samples of different products to try out, see if you like them or not. And here we've got Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. I have no idea what that means. Boosting moisturizer is designed to meet the demands of dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. Rich in humectants and antioxidants. It's a regenerative cream for your face. Plump and hydrate. Okay, alright. Never used one of these before, but I'll check it out. And let's see. We've got some Skin Recharge Cream, Anti-Aging Moisturizer for Men from Baxter of California. And these are really small samples here. I'll try to show you there. And let's see. We've got Salad Days Body Scrub with jojoba and sage extracts from Billy Jealousy. Okay. And what is this again? A body scrub. That's not a whole lot of body scrub there. That's not going to last for very long. Just enough to see if you like it, I guess. Oh, but they do send you to them. This is, let's see, this last one was Salad Days Body Scrub from Billy Jealousy. This is also from Billy Jealousy. This is a body moisturizer called Sake Balm. Directions: slather generously all over. Well, all right. I'll have to check that out. It's not, like I said, it's not going to last for very long. It's a little tiny container of it, just enough to find out whether or not you like it or not. But that's what you get with the Birchbox, man. You just get, basically, they just send you a bunch of samples every month to try out and see if you like, which is kind of cool. Expose you to new grooming products and such. And that is it for this month's edition of the Birchbox Man Premium Edition. So I'll have to check those all out and see whether or not they're any good and if I like it or not. But with that said, I'm going to let you all go and I'll talk at you next time. Bye.